Here we have 2025 Volkswagen Jetta, and if you want to activate the parking brake, all we have to do is come towards your right side. You would notice there's that button. We'll have to press this button upside. You will hear a background sound, and after the background sound, you will see the parking sign being activated on the speedometer right there. That is how the parking brake is activated. In case if you want to deactivate the parking brake, for that we'll come at the bottom side. We'll need to press and hold the brake pedal like that. Then again we come onto that switch towards the right side. This time we will press it downwards. You will again hear a background sound coming out, and this time you will see the parking sign is gone on the speedometer as well. That is how we get rid of the parking brake option. Now suppose the car is turned off and you still want to activate the parking brake. We'll come back to that switch on the right side, lift that switch upside. After the background sound, you will see the parking sign activated on the screen right there. Now in case if you want to release the parking brake option while the car is turned off, the bad news is you cannot do that. You would have to turn on the vehicle in order to release the parking brake option. Because let's suppose if I come down, press and hold that parking brake right there, and then again come to that parking button right there. We press the button down, but you would notice the light on the switch is not turning off. That itself is a sign that the parking brake is not turned off, and you would have to turn on the vehicle in order to release the parking brake option. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.